Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all well and having a great day. If you're new here, my name's Amanda. I post weekly videos on lifestyle, DIY, motherhood and a little bit of everything really. Today's video is going to be a mini homeware haul and also some storage solutions that I've picked up from various different stores. So I'm going to show you what I've got. I picked up some gorgeous homeware items from Aldi, also B&M and Poundland. So this item is quite new to Aldi. This came in last week. It's a table mirror. Now, I was getting my hopes up really high because I saw this advertised in the catalogue. And if you look at the picture, on the box, it's got two mirrors, hasn't it? Hasn't it not got two mirrors? So I'm thinking you're getting two mirrors for £4.99, but it's actually one mirror, you know? I mean, I know I do love a bargain. I thought, wow, that is such a brilliant bargain. But it's just one mirror. So what they're showing you on the box, they're showing you the actual mirror and the reverse of it is just like a decorative pattern. So I've chosen the palm tree one, which is there. So let me just open this and show you. It's so gorgeous, guys, honestly. Aldi are killing it at the minute. Now, take it out of the box. Okay, so that's the mirror side. Then you got the reverse, which is this. Now look how lovely the back of this mirror is. That palm tree detail, I just absolutely love it. That was just £4.99, an amazing value for what you're getting. It also had the ones with a zebra design on it, and they had another design, I can't remember. I think they just had a plain black one as well. But I managed to get this one, which I absolutely love. So next up from Aldi, I picked up some photo frames. You get a set of 2 photo frames. I picked up the black ones and I've picked up the white ones. And I'll just show you on the black ones what they look like because they're so lovely. I mean, they're plastic mold, but they've got this lovely design. I don't know if you can see that on camera. They've got this lovely kind of scallop design going around. So these came in at £2.99 for the pair. And I thought it was absolutely brilliant. 5x7-inch photo frames. Yeah, so they also had it in the white as well. So I got both of them. Okay, so I'm really chuffed with these because we haven't had a chance to get to IKEA yet. And I know IKEA do lovely frames and they do something very similar to these as well. I saw these in Aldi when I was doing a bit of grocery shopping the other day. And I thought, why not pick them up? They're beautiful. So got those. Okay, so the next item that I picked up from Aldi is a storage item, and it's this egg storage box. So I thought this was quite cool, you know, you just have your eggs in the fridge. You can actually see your eggs in the fridge. I know it's quite what's the word? I thought having this, my eggs will look lovely in the fridge, and also you can actually see how many eggs you've got. You know, free range eggs or the organic eggs. They come in the carton box and you always have to open it to check how many eggs you've got left, you know. But with this, I can actually just see how many eggs we've got and then just add it to our shopping list. I thought, you know, why not? Why not? You know, my eggs will look lovely in the fridge of it. So I got that. This was £5.49 in Aldi's. Okay, so I'm going to sway from Aldi to B&M now. Actually waiting for these to come back into store in B&M. And B&M, well, my local B&M has now got them in stock. And it's these stackable mugs. Now, look how gorgeous they are, guys. Oh my goodness. Look how gorgeous they are. I have actually got a set of these already and I was waiting for them to come back into stock. I've picked up one more set. And they're just so gorgeous. Just absolutely love the patterns on the mugs. I don't know if you can see here. And these were £7.99 for the 4 mugs. And the mugs are quite large. Now, I did see Poundland are actually doing their version of these as well. But they're in like a blue kind of tone. But I just absolutely love this grey and white at the minute. And I've seen something similar. I think all the shops are doing them. You know, I've even seen them in Next. But these B&M ones are really lovely and they're a large mug. So £99 for 4 large mugs. And the holder as well. Brilliant. Okay, so to go with those mugs, I also picked up another set of the bowls. Now, look how gorgeous the bowls are. They do match the mugs. I've taken one off the other stand so you can just see what they look like. A nice size bowl for cereal or snacks. And yeah, so the rest of them look like this, and again they come on that lovely stand. And this one you get a set of 4 for £6.99, so that's really great value as well, I would say, for B&M. Okay, so next up from B&M, I picked up this hand wash. It's a moisturising hand wash with safflower and avocado. I've never heard of this brand, but it's Pecksniff Wellbeing. You get 500 ml of this moisturising hand wash, and you know, I just like the bottle. I just liked how it looked, but it does smell absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It's got that It's got that white company kind of smell, you know, really soft, subtle, kind of relaxing kind of smell. So I think that must be the safflower, which I've never heard of safflower before. It doesn't smell anything like avocado. I mean, what does avocado smell like? But I got this, and I think this was £2.49, so I've got that. So next up from B&M, I picked up these coasters. You get 4 coasters, the same design as the mugs, and these were £1.49, so I thought, you know, can't go wrong with those. Pick those up. Okay, so next up from B&M, I picked up this cutlery set. Now, these look so realistic. They're like a gunmetal colour. They're actually reusable plastic cutlery, and you get a set of 36. So you get 12 of each for £1.99. I thought it was excellent value, you know. I thought I'd get those, you know, going to be doing like barbecues and after lockdown parties, that kind of thing. So I thought I'd just have these ready. And these were £1.99 for 36 pieces. Okay, so swinging back to Aldi now, I picked up these fresh and freeze containers. There's a set of 5 and it holds 0.5 litres. And, you know, I thought these will be handy for, like, you know, leftover food to put into the fridge. These ones are BPA free, and you get a set of 5 for £1.99, so I got those. Then I've got another set. This is a set of 3, and these ones hold 1 litre each, and these was also £1.99. Next up is the item that I actually went into Aldi for, and it was to pick up one of these toilet roll holders. The one that I actually wanted, when I saw this one, I thought, I'm leaving that one. So I really wanted to get the elephant one, but then I saw the flamingo one, and I thought, I'm definitely getting the flamingo one. Now I'm going to take it out of the box because you can't really see much of it from the box. So I'm going to take it out and wait for it, guys. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, okay, so this is it here. I would actually use this as an ornament rather than a toilet roll holder, because it's just so lovely, you know. You can see the detail in the flamingo, how it is. And this came in at £8.99 in Aldi. So that's that there, and it's so beautiful. I'm so glad when I went into Aldi, they didn't really have much of the elephant ones. The elephant one was so lovely as well. Absolutely adore elephants, you know. And the elephant one, the trunk was this bit here, so the trunk was going all the way up. But when I saw this one, I kind of swayed from the elephant one to this one. So I got this one, and I'm so happy that I got it, and it's just so gorgeous, you know. Okay, so next up is some storage containers that I picked up in Aldi. Now, I didn't pick them up on this haul. I picked these up on another haul, but I just thought I'd show them to you because they're just so lovely. They came in a set of 6, so you got like various different sizes. 1.5 litres was the largest one, then you got 1 litre, then you got 0.5 litres, and so on. But they're actually stackable like so. And what I like about these, you know, Aldi and Lidl, they repeat their homeware every so often. So I just hope they get some more of these in and you're able to get them. They're the Crofton range of homeware from Aldi. And what they've got is this lockable lid. So you just twist it, it locks into place. Brilliant, you know, brilliant. Now, I have seen the other ones that they do, like B&M do, the larger, what's it? It's got the larger lid with the plastic handle that you have to flick down and flick up. I do actually like those as well, but I thought these sit more flat in the cupboard. There's no sort of obstruction for the lid area there. And I just absolutely love them. And the set at the time was £9.99. As you can see, I put one of my chalkboard stickers on there, getting ready to organise the kitchen. So I've put that on there already. Just to give you an idea. So you got this one, that one. This one I've already put some rice in there, you know, to label up. So this one was the tallest one, and I think it holds 1.5 litres of, you know, dry food. Perfect for spaghetti or rice or, you know, any kind of dry food really. So I really hope Aldi do get these in. So I would add a link if I find anything similar online for you guys, okay? So that's those. So that's Aldi and B&M. Now let me just jump straight to Poundland. I am going to do a separate Poundland haul because I have picked up a few things in there since my last Poundland haul. But I just thought I'd show you some storage solutions that I picked up. These came in at £1. You get a set of 2. They're the smaller size ones. And I also picked up another set. Now, someone had actually swapped out one for the other. So I got 1 white one and 1 grey one, which is absolutely fine. Because I can probably use these in the kitchen as well, in the kitchen drawer. So the same price, 2 for £1. You can't go wrong really. So that's those. Then I've got the popular storage boxes. with the handles. I've got these all over my house, to be fair with you. Now I've picked these up. I've got 3 of the white ones and I've got 2 grey ones, and I think I can probably use this in the kitchen somewhere also. So that's those there, and these are £1 each in Poundland. Next up from Poundland, I've got these pencil cases. It's got like the sort of PlayStation logo thing on there, or console logo on there, and these actually got reduced down to 50p. So I've picked up quite a few of them. But, you know, Oaky's got little bits of Lego which go everywhere. And he's also got, like, you know, like when you get the kindergarten eggs, he likes to collect the little toys from the kindergarten eggs. So I thought by getting these, he can put them in here and he can actually see them as well, because it's transparent. Okay, so there's one other item that I picked up in Aldi, and I just have to show it to you. It's not homeware, and it's not a storage solution either. It's actually a, what should I call it? A clothing item or a fashion item. Okay, so look at these sliders. I just absolutely love them. It's got grey and white striped fabric. Nice soft fabric, and that bow as well on the top, really gorgeous. And these were just £2.99, so amazing. They're so lovely, so soft, so cozy. Love them. Okay, so that's the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified of when I post my next videos. Okay, so my next video, I'm going to try to fit a DIY video in before the end of the week. Plus I have my 1000k giveaway that I'm going to be announcing on Friday. So if you're not aware of the giveaway, I'll put the link up here, so if you wish you can get involved in that. So again, thank you so much for watching. Take care, keep well, and I'll see you on the next one. Love you all. Bye.